So I started following the wire harness from the MEMS sensor. The MEMS sensor plugs into this. Followed the line because when I tested this end to the other end of this same wire, the yellow line didn't have any continuity. So I knew there must be a break somewhere. And I stripped and I stripped and I stripped and I followed it up, and it was a pain in the butt. And then I cut too deep and I found where the yellow one was broken, but I also accidentally cut the blue one. And now I have continuity on all 6 lines. And now I'm gonna wrap them up with electrical tape right here. And then I'm gonna stuff them back into their little conduit cable thing that is you probably can't tell how I split it. I just let's see, where's it at? I'm gonna have a hard time opening it with. I just put a cut right down the middle of the sheath, so it'll open back up and I'll be able to stuff it right back in. You can kind of see right there. Anyway, what an annoying problem. I've checked the MEMS sensor, checked the control board, checked the motor, and it was none of those things. So the only other thing I could think of would be the wire harness. Sure enough,